Hi guys! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best espresso machines just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best espresso machines to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started.
Product number 1. Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. I've been using the Nespresso Vertuo Plus Coffee and Espresso Machine daily for months, and it's a joy for anyone who loves cafe-style drinks with zero fuss. The one-touch brewing system is incredibly straightforward, and the machine heats up fast, so I get rich coffee or espresso in under a minute without complicated settings, perfect on busy mornings. The centrifusion tech brews a flavorful cup with good body and crema every time, and the capsule recycling program is a nice touch for reducing waste. Sure, pods cost more than ground coffee, and you're locked to Nespresso Vertuo capsules, but the convenience is worth it for people who want consistent quality without barista skills. I did notice occasional pod ejection quirks, and the plastic build feels less rugged than Pro machines, but for its price range, it's a fantastic option for home users who want great taste with minimal effort.
Product number 2. Casa Brew's Professional Espresso Machine with removable cappuccino and macchiato features. The Casa Brew's Professional Espresso Machine has been my first hands-on semi-automatic espresso maker outside of pods, and it gives surprisingly robust results for the price. Using the 20-bar Italian pump and steam wand, I can pull espresso shots with thick crema and make cappuccinos or macchiatos with creamy, textured milk at home. This machine feels like a step toward barista-level brewing because I control grind, tamp, and frothing, so if you enjoy learning coffee craft, it's very satisfying. The removable 34-ounce water tank makes refilling easy, and its stainless appearance looks modern in any kitchen. Downsides: it takes practice to master dialing in the right grind and pressure, and occasional splash when frothing is normal if you're new. But at its price point, this machine punches above its weight and is extremely price compatible for hobbyists wanting cafe-style drinks without expensive pro gear.
Product number 3. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine, BES 870XL. Using the Breville Barista Express BES 870XL has completely changed how I make espresso at home. It feels like having a compact coffee shop setup. The built-in conical burr grinder lets me fresh grind beans for every shot, which makes a huge difference in flavor and aroma. Temperature stability and accurate pressure create full-bodied extraction, and the steam wand produces microfoam perfect for lattes and cappuccinos. Unlike simple pod machines, this machine teaches you the craft of espresso. Grind size, tamping, dosing, and frothing all matter, which is perfect for coffee lovers who take brewing seriously. The learning curve is real, but once you get comfortable, each cup rivals cafe quality. It's priced higher than basic machines, but considering the performance, reliability, and control you get, it's worth every dollar for enthusiasts. Slight cons include a bit of counter space use and necessary cleanup after each session, but that's part of the espresso experience I enjoy.
Product number 4. Espresso Professional Automatic Stainless Cappuccino Machine, 20 bar. My time with this automatic stainless cappuccino espresso machine showed it's a great entry point to cafe-style drinks without investing too much. It delivers consistent 20-bar pressure for solid extraction, and the automatic settings mean beginners can get decent espresso with minimal tweaks. Frothing milk is easier than expected, producing creamy foam for cappuccinos and lattes, and the stainless steel look feels durable. The machine's automation and adjustable steam make it especially friendly for people who don't want to learn every manual step. On the flip side, it's not as hands-on as fully manual machines, and the automatic modes limit fine-tuning for experienced users. But if your priority is ease of use and good espresso at a reasonable cost, this is a satisfying blend of simplicity, quality, and price compatibility. I'd recommend it to casual drinkers or families who want variety with little effort.
Product number 5. Nespresso Limited Vertuo Espresso Machine by Breville. Finally, the Nespresso Limited Vertuo Espresso Machine by Breville blends the best of the Vertuo pod system with sleek design. I used it for both espresso and larger coffee sizes, and I appreciated how easy it is to switch between drinks with just one button. The barcode scanning centrifusion tech ensures optimal extraction every time, so flavor is consistently rich and satisfying. The starter set of capsules was handy to experiment with different blends, and the water reservoir's generous size meant fewer refills. As with all pod machines, ongoing pod costs are higher than ground coffee, but the cleanliness and speed make it worth considering. Build quality feels solid, and the automatic capsule ejection is a welcome convenience. Compared to other pod machines, this limited Breville edition feels a little more refined for a slightly higher price, making it a good balance of taste, convenience, and value for daily coffee lovers.